Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is this. It's dewy, it's glowy, it's full coverage. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. Firstly, you want to make sure that your skin is well hydrated and really moisturized. So you can go in with a moisturizer of your choice. Mine is this, the Nivea Daily Essentials. One's for dry skin, one's for oily skin. I use them in separate areas on my face. So I'm then going to go in with a MAC product. It's actually a moisturizer, so it's Stroke Cream. I will insert a picture somewhere. And I use the shade Gold Light, and I've also mixed it in with a pigment called Melon. So I don't have the actual products to show you because I got a little sample, but I'm just going to apply that all over my face. I'm just applying it all over. You want to make sure that you spread it evenly because the pigment sometimes sticks to the skin. So you want to make sure that it's spread and that it's everywhere that you want it to be. So you can see I'm shining bright like a disco ball. That melon pigment is amazing. It's amazing. Mixing it in with the Stroke Cream, which already has shimmer inside it. So next I'm going in with a product called Skin Base Visage. So it's a primer. I'm going to apply that on top, and it also has shimmer inside. So when I'm applying the primer, I'm patting it onto my skin because I did try to rub it, but it was moving the pigment. So pat, 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 pat. Shining even brighter. So next I'm going in with MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof in NW50. Now this is what do they describe it? I think satin finish, dewy finish, but it helps to give the glow and it's full coverage as well. So right up my street. I'm going to apply that with a NYX Professional Makeup brush in number 4. I'm using my favourite brush, that's the NYX Professional Makeup brush in number 4, and I'm just patting the foundation onto my skin. Again, I'm applying layers, I'm not rubbing it in. I'll pop a bit more of that primer underneath my eyes and go in with a concealer, which is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC50. So here I'm just applying it to the usual areas, that V shape underneath the eye. I'm going to go on my nose, my chin, my forehead. I'm doing it everywhere. The areas where I've applied my concealer, so I'm just going to blend that all out with my foundation brush. Using that Sacha Buttercup. I'm now going in with MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish. It's a really light powder and it has little shimmery bits inside it. So I'm just going to set my face, the rest of my face, with that. I'm using e.l.f.'s powder brush. I love this brush. It's so flat and I just literally press the powder into my skin. So I'm pressing that mineralized skin finish onto my foundation, and then I don't buff away the powder, the loose powder, I just press it into my skin. Taking CoverGirl's Ebony Bronze, I'm going to use that and warm up the perimeter of my face. Just going in the usual areas, so on my cheeks, on my forehead, just the perimeter of my face, just to help warm it up. I'm going to be using Sleek's blush in Sahara. It's the perfect colour for dark skin. Every day going out, I use it all the time. Like you can see, I hit pan a long time ago. This part is pretty self-explanatory, so I don't need to say anything. I'm now going to contour small with this palette. It's the Sleek Face Form in Dark. So I'm going to use that as the contour, and then I'm using these two colours for my highlight. Because if you can see, when I do my makeup, my natural contour line shows. So I'm not going to emphasise it like crazy. So just a little bit. I actually don't know why I suck my cheeks in, because I can see the line, but yet I still suck my cheeks in. It's just habit. So I highlighted my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, or the bridge that I don't have, the tip of my nose, on my forehead, underneath my brows, and the top of my lip. Next I'm going to set my face with the NYX Dewy Setting Spray. And then I'm going to add these two products. So it's MAC's Bittersweet Me and the MUA Brow Pencil in Brunette. I don't have a Cupid's bow, so I literally, when I use my lip liner, I'm drawing a circle. Ain't no V shape there, B. Oh, shame. This isn't even Bittersweet Me, it's Spice. Thought it was looking a bit bright. I'm going to stick some lashes on and I'll be right back. This is the final look. I added lashes, I added earrings, and also to my body, my arms, I added this product. It's from the Body Shop. It's in the shade Honey Bronze and it's a shimmering dry oil. I am wearing clothes just in case you're wondering. So this is it. Oh child, look at that highlight. Is that you though? Alright, that's you. Anyway, if there are any other products that you would recommend or that you've used, then feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd love for you to give this video a thumbs up and definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.